Welcome, food lovers, to the tranquil sanctuary of Cooking Tips 5S. From which corner of the world are you joining us today? Regardless of the time zones that drift between us, I hope this little kitchen brings you a sense of belonging and peace. Today, let us set aside our worries, roll up our sleeves, and craft delicate, velvety egg dishes as a gentle gift to ourselves. Lean back, listen to the quiet whispers of the ingredients, and watch as we transform the simplest elements into two edible masterpieces designed to embrace your palate. Have you ever craved a rich, molten poached egg in the morning, yet hesitated at the thought of swirling whirlpools and simmering pots? Let me share a small miracle with you, a way to achieve perfection with effortless grace. We begin with farm-fresh eggs, boasting a rustic, primitive beauty. Instead of a hurried crack, we cradle them into a bowl of cool, pristine water. A spoonful of crystalline sea salt is sprinkled in, dissolving slowly. With gentle hands, we massage the fine texture of the shells to wash away the dust of the world, before carefully patting each one dry with soft paper. Next, 3 eggs are cracked, sliding silkily into a vintage celadon bowl adorned with classic chrysanthemum patterns. To nurture their tenderness, a thin veil of water is added, softly embracing the vibrant golden yolks. The bowl is then placed into the gentle warmth of the air fryer. Within this steady heat, the whites gradually transform into a snowy, pillowy coat, cocooning the shy, succulent yolks nestled within. In just a few moments, a subtle, comforting aroma fills the air. As we retrieve the bowl, the rounded, trembling poached eggs rest elegantly atop a bed of crisp emerald lettuce. Gently place an egg onto a slice of golden, toasted sourdough, accented with vibrant rounds of vine-ripened tomatoes. As the blade glides through, the luscious, velvety yolk cascades like a ribbon of yellow silk, weaving through the airy crumb of the bread. Continuing our healing journey, we step into a miniature garden of vivid colours. Our protagonist is a floret of deep emerald broccoli, crisp and fresh from the garden. As you gently part the leaves, do you see a tiny, uninvited guest? A small green caterpillar playing hide and seek. Seeing this brings me joy. It is the truest testament to homegrown produce, clean, wholesome, and kissed by nature's morning dew. The sharp blade moves with precision, dancing through the stems to separate the florets from the trunk. After being soothed by a cool rinse, the broccoli is finely minced until it resembles tiny shards of sparkling jade. Each spoonful of this verdant green is carefully gathered into a pristine white porcelain bowl. Immediately after, a brilliant shower of finely diced carrots descends, blanketing the jade. A rustic wooden spoon glides through, softly blending these two soothing hues into a playful dappled tapestry, waiting for the next step of the enchantment. In another corner of the kitchen, 5 eggs are cracked, revealing their lustrous golden glow. Grains of fine salt and freshly cracked black pepper fall like stardust, bringing the savoury, earthy whispers of the land. A splash of clear water and a pour of creamy, ivory milk join the ensemble. The whisk begins its rhythmic cadence, swirling and blending everything into a frothy, silken ribbon, as light and airy as a cloud. Gently pour this golden veil into the garden of broccoli and carrots. Bamboo chopsticks move in slow, deliberate circles, ensuring every vegetable fragment is bathed in the rich, milky embrace of the eggs. The porcelain bowl is nestled into a rustic bamboo steamer. The flame is lit, the lid is closed, and time begins its silent work. As the lid is lifted, a plume of white steam billows out, carrying a rich, delicate fragrance that fills the soul. A perfect harmony of golden yellow and jade green emerges. The knife makes deliberate, clean strokes, dividing the steamed eggs into soft, bouncy squares. Finally, a glossy, dark, savoury sauce, flecked with bright chives and the shimmer of toasted sesame oil, is drizzled over the surface, seeping deep into every crevice. Lift a piece. The warmth touches your lips, and the melt in your mouth succulence radiates across your palate.